Guys, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Rex. What I do is to try my best and bring value to you on the internet. Today I'll be showing you how to design a logo like the one you see below there. That logo is from scratch. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the tutorial. So the first thing, click on this grid icon at the top. Can you see that is looking like the mesh? Okay, ensure it's set to be 7x7. That's what we'll be using. To set it to 7x7, click on this reset icon. Okay, that reset icon, the last icon, tap on it. Come here, make this one 7 to the horizontal and make it 7 to the vertical. You can always come back there and check how your grid is. Okay, as we'll be using the 7x7 for this design. So if you'll be wondering what the grid line is for, the grid line is to guide us so that our design will be straight, smart, and also help us to be able to align our work too and make our design fast. So tap on the grid icon at the top to remove the grid. You can always tap on it to check your work. Okay, now we'll be leaving the grid on. So we'll be working with more of shapes in this design. Follow the steps, guys. If you have missed out in any part, do well to watch the video all over again. Share the video if it brings value to you. Now click on this plus at the top left. Bring in a shape. Okay, ensure to edit your shape from this part where it's showing edit. Okay, increase the radius. Follow the steps, guys. Then do as I do. Can you see? So ensure you make it. Let's see the reason why you are using the grid. Okay, ensure you click on edit. Okay, then from here change the color to black. Change the color to black. You can always remove click on the icon at the top, the grid icon, to remove the grid so that you see what you are designing. To edit the shape again, you have to click on edit. Okay, click on edit. Okay, so that your work won't be rough. Check it, ensure it's on the grid line. We are using the grid line. Okay, the work of the grid lines will help us align our work properly and make our design smooth. Okay, subscribe to our channel to learn more ways on how to use the grid line and more tricks about Pixellab. So once you are done with this shape, lock it. Bring in another shape. Okay, increase the radius. So we want it to be like a circle shape too. So make sure we are targeting 2 of that grid line now. Can you see? You can always use your position key to centralize your work. Okay, you can also do it for the image in the background too, like the shape in the background. So once you have gotten something like this, if you feel your work is rough, you can delete the first one. Just copy it and delete the first one. Okay, so this one you brought in will be okay. So you want to expand this, click on edit, drag it, then use your position key to move it. But at this point, don't use your hand anymore. Okay, use your position key. So follow the steps in the video, guys, and if this video has brought value to you, and if you want more videos like this, you can drop it in the comment section and let me know that you want more videos like this, then I'll post more videos. But if you have questions or doubts about the video, you can also drop it in the comment section. Okay, I'll gladly give you a reply. Always click on edit to edit your shape. Okay, until you get your desired dimension. You can always remove the grid line to see what you are designing. Use your position key, guys. Don't use your hand at this point. Okay, so if you discover it's in the center, you want it to move to the front here. Okay, so let's leave it here, then lock it, then bring in another shape. Okay, this shape we just brought in now, increase the radius, then turn it to black. Okay, go ahead and turn on your grid line. Ensure to click on edit. Okay, to edit the shape. So we are targeting one of this grid. So let's leave that one there first. Click on the plus again, bring in another shape. You can see that we're using more of shapes, guys. If you want more hacks on how to use shapes for design like this in Pixellab, subscribe to the channel, okay, and share the videos for us so that others will also gain value from it. Okay, go ahead and copy this shape. Okay, let's delete this one. So we'll copy it again. Don't forget that I'm using the grid for this job, okay? So once you have gotten something like this, before you edit this shape, click on edit, okay? Then you can move it up. Follow the steps in the video, guys, so that you gain proper insight. And if you have questions, you can drop it in the comment section. Calculate the amount of shapes that are using. We are bringing in another shape again. Okay, you can see we've not copied any shape. The essence of not copying any shape is that we want to get our own proper shape, and that's why we are using the grid line. Okay, so slant this one, just make it be on the horizontal surface. Then let's say let's just size it from here, then slant it like this. By now, I believe this video might have brought value to you. All we ask is for you to help us share the video so that others will also gain value from it. And if this is your first time, subscribe to the channel. If you are seeing this on Facebook, follow the page so that you gain more insight once we post like this. At this stage, before you merge, okay, go ahead and save your design, because in case there is merging gone wrong, you might not be able to come back again. So let's just leave it that way. Then come back here and let's say we want to bring in another shape again. Increase the radius, then follow the steps in the video, guys. And let's say we want it to be like, then drag it down. So do well to click on the edit, okay, so that you'll be able to edit it. Okay, always click on the edit to edit your shape. Okay, let me show you. Let's say for instance I'm clicked on this shape now. Then ensure, can you see this first edit? Click on it. Okay, don't drag it on the screen, otherwise you mar your design. Okay, always tap on the edit. Learn how to use the position key, okay, at this point, especially when you are using the grid line like this. Hope you are finding value, guys. Move it down. Then let's just change the color. Let's change the color of this one so that will make it different. Okay, let's just make it blue. Let's make it a bit darker. Okay, let's leave it like this. Then let's send it to the back. If you check the options here, guys, you can send it to the back. Do well to subscribe to our channel, okay, so that you gain insights on how you can design from our 2 days of professional flyer that is coming up. Professional flyer design is free. So we'll leave the shape behind, which is the blue shape. Then we'll merge all these other ones together. Okay, do well to merge those other shapes together, guys. Then go to erase color. Can you see? So we have erased it. Then increase the tolerance So in case there is erasing gone wrong or there is a mistake in your design, that merge, that save that we have saved, that work that we saved, you can see it here. Once I go back, if I click on project, you see it at the top. We'll be able to go back from scratch and design from there. So a lot of people have been asking, how can I undo my merged work on Pixellab? That's the solution. Always save before you merge. I hope that has also brought value to some problems that you might be facing. So now, we want to furthermore design this. Ensure to move this to the center. You can use your position key and see that I have not touched the grid line. The grid line is still on. Then use the grid line to align it to where you want it to be. Then this other shape, this blue shape, you want it to be here. Okay. Then we want to bring in another shape again. Increase the radius. From here, change the color. I want to change the color. I also want to drag it a bit. So follow the steps in the video, guys. If you join our master class, guys, you become more creative and you start cashing out with your smartphone. I know you might not be cashing out with your smartphone now because you are not used to the modern day equation. The ones who are used to the modern day equation, believe me, guys, you know what I'm talking about. Now click on the plus icon again and bring in another shape. Okay, so increase the radius. Then let's place this shape in the center here. So guys, after I have brought in another shape, ensure you place it in the center. We'll be placing it in the center. Then from that same edit, change the color to this same blue. Okay. Just make sure it's in that grid. Okay. So we will see it, don't worry. Go ahead and change the color of this one. Before you change the color of that one, remove the grid line, bring in a black shape. Bring in a shape, change it to black. We'll be sending it into this shape that we merged. Okay. Okay. Send it inside, then merge them together so that once we turn this our shape into a 3D, we will not have too much problem when we start editing it. Okay. So let's now send this one to the back and change the color to, let's change the color to, let's say, white. Hope you are following, guys. Then we send this one to the back here. This one to the back. Can you see? Turn on the grid line, guys. You can always edit your work. Check your work properly. Click on edit. I feel this one is still too big. Okay. It's still coming out. So can you see? Go ahead and use that edit option to edit it properly and make sure it's inside that design. Okay, so once it's inside, go ahead and merge everything together now. Okay, merge everything together. Then we'll be turning it into a 3D logo now. Go ahead and click on emboss. Can you see emboss? This last option. On it, increase and expand the bounding box. Okay, if it's scattering, check the light angle properly. Go down, then work on the intensity. Okay, if I were you, I'll take my time and check these 3D settings properly. It's not something you master once. Okay, once you design, increase the hardness. Once you design, this bevel, always leave it as 6 or 5. Okay, let's make it 5. Let's make it 5. Then once you are done, you can check the ambient light too. Then come back to the angle light. Once it's okay, for this my logo, I feel it's not too professional, okay? So when you are designing your own, ensure to watch it. I have other videos on logos like this in this channel that are more better than this. So subscribe to the channel to watch more amazing videos like this. I don't want to waste much time again. So once you are done from there, click on shadow. On the shadow, reduce the blur radius totally, or you can just reduce it, or you leave it on 1, or you can leave it on 1 because of background. Then once you are done, go to 3D. Look for 3D shape. Click on 3D shape. On it. Okay, I'll be leaving the link on how to download Pixellab in the description of the video, okay? So you can download Pixellab. So ensure it's on perspective and reduce it to 2. So you can also go back to the shadow and increase either of the offsets, okay? We are doing a mock-up, like a mock-up design, okay? You can also do that. So once you are done, you see that your work wants to scatter. Just increase and expand. So that's the essence of the shape that we added that time, that black shape, okay? So guys, once you have gotten what you want, place it in the center. Then go to your background. Test various background for your design, guys, and you can share with your fellow designers and find value from it. If this video is bringing you value, or if it has brought value to you, help us share the video so that others will also gain value from it. And finally, to save your work, click on this icon at the top, then click as save as image. Go ahead and make it ultra. You can either do it as PNG or JPEG. Then click on save to gallery. Peace, guys.